Uh, Now, 5th standard students, let us start from the page number 84. Draw what the following shapes would like on 1/4 and half turn. See here, this will be here in 1/4 turn, okay, and this will be here. So no, this in 1/4 turn, this line segment here, and this will be here. And you will draw children in same color, okay, here only in the given space. Then 1/4 turn, again same shape. Yes, now here on 1/4 vertically, this line segment here and this will be here, so it will look like vertically, okay. Then again in half turn, same. Now see here, hexagon, so this vertex will be here in the 1/4 turn, and again in half turn, same you will get. Which of the above shapes do not look same on 1/4 turn? So this and this, okay, hexagon. And which shapes do not look the same on half turn? In half turn, this. Now which fin will look like the same on one? In 1/3 turn, if this fin will take, so 1, and here no, colors different is there. Draw the shapes after 1/3 turn. Sorry. Now see here, after 1/3 turn, what will be happen? First is 1/4. This line will be here, then this line will be here, so sine triangle, and again triangle will take what position it will take. See here, imagine when first is, it will take this position, and then half, and 1/3. Now you will try. So my point of view, no. And see here, 1/3, this line segment here, and this will be here in 1/4, then half, again same, and 1/4, 1/3. So this line segment will be here, this will be here in 1/4, and this will be here in the half, same position with, and 1/3. So think, I will send you the answer. Okay, next, 1/6 turn. Can you see that this shape looks the same on 1/6 turn? See here, symmetry you can see here. First turn, second turn, third turn, fourth turn, fifth turn, sixth turn. Okay, so from here, same. Now practice time. Look at the following shapes, draw how they will look on 1/3 turn. So 1/3, first turn, second turn, third turn, first turn, second turn, third turn, same. In the sixth turn also same. First turn, second turn, third turn, both will be same. Again, first turn, second turn, third, same. 1 2 3 4 5 6, same. This will be. Now see here, it is clearly written. Encourage children to look at the figure and see what kind of symmetry there is. If they need, they can draw 6 lines to see how to rotate a figure through 1/6 turn. You can see here. Then next will be 1/6 turn. They should also be able to see the figure which looks the same on 1/6 turn and will also look the same in 1/3 turn, which is the same as to 1/6 turn. Okay.